In this short video, we will be discussing this week's assignment. This week's assignment happens in 3 steps: review course materials, find a partner in the company, and create a 10-minute skit to show your colleagues. Sign up, send me an email confirming your partner. You have my email in your email. Send an email by the end of the day today. Next, we'll share a skit via webinar Friday, August the 2nd. Email has been sent, just join the Skype meeting. Active listening, more information. Our webinar agenda will include course feedback, scenario questions and answers, personal reflection, skits, skit peer review, and next steps. We're trying to change the company culture, and we're going to do a big initiative to do so. You'll learn more at the webinar.